Hello everyone, in today's video we will see how to create reusable site parts in Elementor so you can save time and maintain design consistency across your entire website. So let's get started. Now how can we understand these template parts? In Elementor, template parts are you can say reusable design blocks. So it can be any custom part of your web page, or it can be custom header, it can be footer, or it can be whole page too. By creating you need to create it once and reuse anywhere on your website. It also helps in maintaining consistent styling because making updates are super easy. You have to update at you have to change it once at one place and it will affect your entire website. And it is very useful if you have a large number of pages in a website. So let's start with the installation of Elementor. So let me install the page builder. So I'm going into a plugin. Okay, so here we are adding Elementor website builder. I am activating it. For now we are using free version, so we don't need this right now. Now, as you install the plugin, you will find here in left panel, you will find two options. First is a Elementor related set. You will find all settings in this section, Elementor, all this section. And for Elementor templates, you will find separate section. So if we click on it, you can see all your saved templates in here. So you can also import templates. Suppose you have created it somewhere and you want to use on this website, so you can import that template here. You can add a new template. It can be page, section and container. Now for practical purpose to understand this better, let's see what we are trying to achieve. Now if I open the site, this is a temporary site about kids clothing. Now we have six pages: new and trending, toys, furniture, sleep, wear and care and gifts. Now on these pages, I want to show different banner, but it should be editable at one place. So for that, I am making that banner as a template part. So what we are trying to achieve, for the first three page, I want to show banner 1 and remaining 3 pages will show banner 2. So instead of putting separate code, I want to make it manageable at one place. So that particular banner part I want to make as a template part. So let's see how to achieve that. Now there are two ways to make a template part. First, either you can make any custom part and save it as a template, or you can go to the templates part and here you make your custom code. We are seeing both ways. So what we are doing is, for the first 3 pages, I want to show the banners. Let me show you. Okay, so this is a sale banner. So first 3 pages will show this sale related banners, and this is a new collection launch banner. So another remaining 3 pages will show this. So first, let's create a cell banner. Let me go to the pages. Okay, I am here creating a layout. Now here you will find two options, Flexbox grid. You will find container here layout in layout part. So now if you have used a older version of Elementor, you must have used a section which gives classic layout with columns inside them, and section are still supported, but I prefer to use containers, which is based on Flexbox, provide you more flexible layout system. You have full control over alignment, direction and spacing all in one place. So it is easy to call part as a template. And with containers, creating nested layouts are also very easy. So let's start with the first part. Okay, here I am uh, this is a cell banner. Okay, so in a website, after creating this such a section or part, whatever you say, I want to repeat this and I want to maintain consistency. So for that, you need to convert this code into a template part. Okay, to make this code as a template part, you need to right click here, and you will find this as a save as a template option. So I'm clicking it, save as a template. Here there are two options, cloud templates and site templates. Now when you create it as a cloud templates, you can call this code part anywhere across websites. But I want this section in existing site only, so I'm using it as site templates. So here I am giving a title cell banner and I'm saving it. Okay, as you save it, you will find it here in your library that this many site templates you are having. Same way, now this is the first option. This is how you convert any part, your whole page, or you can create custom header, footer, anything as a template part. To save whole page as a template, you need to go here. Besides publish, you will find this option and you can save whole page as a template. Now let's see second option. So you go to templates and here you select container. Now already we have one container is saved. Now here we create, add new template. Here first it is asking what kind of template type you want to create. So we want to create a container and I want a new collection banner. So I'm giving that kind of title. So this is a second container for new collection image. Okay, this is similar kind of editing, the way you edited in a main page and save it. Here you are creating first and then edit it. Okay, so now our template is ready. If we go into the template section, now if you go into the templates menu, you will find all your saved created templates here. To you can edit anywhere, any type. Now how to use such templates part, how to make it reusable. Now as you can call it in a multiple pages, but to make it manageable at one place you must have a pro plugin, because in free version it is no longer supported. So let me show you what I mean by that. So if we go into the pages, let's open this new and trending page. Okay, on this page, I want to show new collection banner. So to call that template parts, I will click here. So in a template section, all my created template parts will be listed. So here I am clicking insert. It is asking this will override the design layout and other settings of the page you are working on. Right now it's not that much complicated, so we are just adding apply. So here it is showing the template part, but if I call this template part in 10 pages and I want to edit it at one place, and I want to see the result in 10 pages. So let's say new collection banner, this image has been updated and I want to update it in a one place, and I want to see that change in all 10 pages. Then I must have pro version, because pro version provides template ID that with a short code you can control all your template parts at one place. Now this become completely separate entity. Whatever I change here won't affect other pages which have similar template part. So let me show you from another website that how the structure is that. So currently I am in another website's dashboard. So if you are using a pro version, then you can see this column shortcode. So whenever you use this shortcode, that particular part will be controlled by here only. So that's how it makes it more manageable. But unfortunately, it has been removed from a free version and only available in a pro only. So that's how template part works. Now here you will find another option, that is a global widget. So how it is different than this, you can say that global widget is reusable single element, and template part can contain multiple elements, nested layouts, multiple containers, etc. So templates part is a kind of combination of various widget and nested layouts, and global widget is a single element. So let's see how to create it and where to find it. Let's create it from a page. Okay, so let's say now this button is something I want to reuse in multiple pages. So I will select the element, I will click I will right click on it, and here I will find the option save as a global. So if I select it, here it will ask, so I will say BT and click here. Okay. Now as you save it, all global widget will be saved here. So you simply drag and drop. Here you will find editing, global editing. Now this is globally connected. So what it means that if you edit here, it will affect all entire website. So that's the difference between global and simple template part. Now in a single website, you are using a chunk of codes repeatedly. So with template part, you are achieving that. But suppose you have created chunk of codes which similar kind of code you want to use it in another website. So that is also possible. For that you have to go to a templates. Whatever you want to repeat in another website, you need to export that template. So it will be converted in a JSON file, and you can import that file into another website. So same code is usable in another website as well. So as you import the template, you will find same template listed in another website as well. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.